We got the mm, Dodge Charger Chrysler Coupe. Hmm. Next one, we got the Dodge Challenger. Next one is mm, Red Explos truck. This one is 70 Dodge Challenger. And last is Dodge Viper GTS-R. And let's go to the Hot Wheels city. So guys, we got the first car named Suff Duty, and next one is the my favorite one. It's the Night Shifter. Third one is wow, looking so cool. The Time Shifter. Hmm. This one is Drone Duty. This one. And last one is guys, I think it's a cool one.
You tell the name in the comments.
Thank you watching for this channel. Subscribe for my channel. Bye.